going to be putting together my winter village as I did last year. As you see here, just like last year, I have basically the same table, and I'm going to be using pretty much the same components as I did last year, starting with these base plates. So I have all these 8 base plates here, these white base plates. These are actually knockoffs. They're not actually really Lego official base plates, but I have 2 others here. One is blue and the other one is green. I'm thinking about maybe using the blue base plate over here in the back somewhere, and maybe using it and placing the winter lodge back there or something along those lines. And then I have the road plates here. So we're going to be using the road plates to generate the center of the town. Last year I did a square formation around it, but I think this year I'm going to do a crisscross formation of the plates. And then there's also the train tracks, which go around the back or the sides of the town. As you see here, I've kind of got the road plates figured out here. I had some trouble sort of getting it properly aligned, but also to make sure that I knew exactly, how to best fit it in the center. I was thinking it was like this way, and then we could sort of put the train station in the back. But it turns out that I think it's better that the train station, and I'm able to use more track all the way along here, and then the train station is on the side of the town, and of course then the walkway over the tracks back into the center of town. So so this is where I've gotten so far in my winter village. The layout is a little different from last year. I have the plates running, in a crisscross fashion as opposed to a square that I had last year. And I was able to actually make it, I think it's a little better. I put the train station along the far right side corner of the town, and I built out this red brick wall here, as well as with the gray bricks. I was lucky I had these bricks from that other set I built. I put from the Holiday Main Street, I put the essentially somebody comes off the train, this would be kind of where they'd be picked up. And then, so basically as far as the rest of the town goes, I mean, other areas to update would be over here. And then again here, I think that there'll probably be a couple of those little stores from the Holiday Main Street set. And then maybe one of the houses I have from another modular. And back here is going to probably be the Alpine Lodge, and we're going to build out some outline bordering around here. So the Alpine Lodge will essentially be like on a lake. And I think the rest of this town in this area will probably be decorated with like a Christmas tree. I think that'll fill out the town pretty well. If you think about, if you're coming into town, there's a kind of a park or a Christmas area either on that side or this side as well.